Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hafni Safira. I'm from 5A English Education Department. In this video, I would like to review the journal article part 2. We go to the title. The title is Radar Reliability in L2 Oral Proficiency Test. The author is Hyun Joo Kim from Korean University. Okay, the purpose of the research. This study attempts to determine 1. Whether readers having different English language backgrounds is similar conclusion regarding Korean students' English language oral proficiency, and 2. Whether 6 analytic rating scales of different aspects of proficiency are actually used similarly to the holistic rating scale by various raters having different English language background. Tujuan dari penelitian yang pertama adalah untuk mengetahui perbedaan dari latar belakang siswa di Korea dan siswa di US yang mempunyai English skill atau kemampuan berbahasa Inggris. Yang kedua, menganalisis tentang perbedaan dari aspek yang dimiliki oleh setiap siswa mengenai perkembangan mereka dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, the research questions is whether readers having different English language, whether 6 analytic rating scales of different aspects of proficiency are actually used similarly to the holistic rating scale by various range, readers having different English language background. Jadi, this question yang pertama adalah apakah ada perbedaan di antara siswa Korea dan siswa di US mengenai perkembangan bahasa Inggrisnya. Yang kedua, apakah 6 analytical yang berbeda ini menjadi various raters perbedaan yang ada di dalam perkembangan berbahasa Inggris. Okay, in the research methodology, quantitative design and a single factor experimental design having repeat measure method was chosen in this study. Penelitian ini menggunakan metode kuantitatif dan statistika inferensial. Okay, we go to the participant in this study. We can see that the participants consists of 30 native speakers in the US and 30 speakers in the Korea. Partisipannya sudah dituliskan di dalam jurnal tersebut. Ada 30 native speaker di Amerika dan native speaker di Korea. Research site in USA and Korea. Jadi penelitian ini meneliti di Amerika dan Korea. The data collections, the researchers used 6 TSE speech tests at various proficiency levels provided by the Educational and Testing Service. Data yang dikumpulkan penelitian menggunakan 6 tahapan tes TSE speech dan menggunakan ETS atau tes yang menggunakan narrative test. Data analysis, readers were instructed to rate the speech sample based on their overall impressions of each speakers at 7-point Likert scale, with 1 representing low proficiency and 4 representing moderate proficiency and 7 representing high proficiency. Data yang dianalisis mendapatkan 3 golongan, yakni yang mendapatkan 7 poin itu termasuknya ke dalam berprestasi rendah, yang kedua nilai 4 poin itu merepresentasikan moderate proficiency atau menengah, dan yang terakhir di atas 7 itu high proficiency. Each reader assess the same speech sample twice using a holistic rating scale for overall impressions and using analytical twin scales for 6 rating components: grammatically accuracy, vocabulary, pronunciation or accent, rate of speech, organizations, and task fulfillment. Findings. Overall means in standard deviations or SD, along with minimum and maximum holistic ratings from 60 readers for each of the 6 speech samples on the picture description text are calculated with inferential statistics. The lowest rating obtained is 1 and the highest is 7, indicating that writers use the whole range of the rating scale. The English language oral proficiency test scores of the speech samples varied considerably. We go to the research gap. The population gap is researchers only research the study in USA and Korea. Theoretical gap, the researchers only use the theory from Bachman, Savignon, Douglas, and you can see in this PowerPoint. And methodological gap, the researchers use the quantitative research design and with inferential statistics. The conclusion is, in line with previous research, the study investigates whether writers having different English language background reach similar conclusions when they evaluate current students' English language oral proficiency. In addition, for these two writer groups with different English proficiency and different English language background, the inter-reader reliability for the holistic and the 6 analytic rating scales was quite reasonable statistically on the conditions of no reader training in this study. The reasonable reliability not only support the findings that the ratings provide by the two different reader groups categorized by in the US and in Korea are qualified as the raters for assessing Korean students' language proficiency. According to the research gap, bisakah saya mengaplikasikan ke dalam jurnal yang nanti saya buat? Jurnal, jika saya menuliskan jurnal, apakah saya bisa mengaplikasikan hal tersebut? Untuk metode kuantitatif mungkin, untuk di metodologikalnya mungkin saya tidak bisa. Lalu populationnya juga tidak bisa. Theoreticalnya tergantung nanti. Okay. Thank you for your attention. If I had wrong, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.